Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Article 271 or inducing a minor to abandon his home. Under Article 271, inducing a minor to abandon his home is committed by anyone who shall induce a minor to abandon the home of his parents or guardians or the persons entrusted with his custody. May dalawang element upang mag-apply itong article na ito. First, a minor is living in the home of his parents or guardian or the person entrusted with his custody. Yung home po dito ay kung saan nakatira yung bata. It doesn't matter if they are just lessees or umuupa or sa kanila yung bahay. Second, offender induces said minor to abandon such home. Inducement must be actual, committed with criminal intent, and determined by a will to cause damage. Yung offender talagang sinabing maglayas yung bata. It is not necessary that the minor actually abandon the home to consummate the crime. What constitutes the crime is the act of inducing a minor to abandon his home or the home of his guardians, and it is not necessary that the minor actually abandons the home. So, na-consummate na itong crime na ito by the mere fact of inducing o paghihikayat o pag-uudyok sa bata na maglayas siya. Naglayas man o hindi yung bata, na-consummate na yung crime. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.